Hey guys, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I want to discuss three things. First, we'll be looking at our SPX. That's the every single video I talk about SPX in the beginning, and then I'll be looking at three potential stocks to play to make money on. What are we making money on this one? We are going to get short on all those three stocks, and I'll tell you why. Make sure to like and subscribe. That can help me a lot in the long run. So let's get started. If you watched my video yesterday, I talked about today we're going to hit 2800 and then we're going to reject, and then we're going to come down even further later this week. So I want you to look at the 1 day 5-minute chart. So the 2800 level is right here. That is 2801. Can I be precise? But hey, we rejected. That's at least 6 times of rejection. So what do you think is gonna happen next? And then when you see like right here, this is the last 10-minute trading, boom, 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 all the way coming down all the way. If you think about this, rejection coming down tomorrow, we're going down. So what would be the most likely scenario tomorrow is that we are going to open a low and then try to bounce to 2790, and then we'll keep going down for the rest of the week. We have another scenario is that we try to retest 2800 and then reject, and then we come down. So now it's a sign to short. Why is that? Because this is a signal of a reversal, and when this reverses, this will come down. So if you buy puts, this is a put play now it's a put play. It's been call play for a long time. Finally, we're gonna see some red actions. That's why I want to get into first stock, ROKU. With ROKU, I've been shorting this on a day-to-day basis, intraday shorting. Let me explain what happened. Pay attention to this because this thing will make you a lot of money. So after earnings, ROKU shot up 25%. And then the next day, we have a short squeeze. How do I know the short squeeze? We see a rejection up front, and then we see close at an indecision candle on a stock that went up 25% the previous day. Short squeeze. The next day is also a short squeeze. Why is that? This morning, ROKU was down about 2%. And then after 30 minutes, the thing came up like 1%. Who wants to buy ROKU after it didn't really have a good earnings beat? Yes, it had a great guidance. But then this thing almost as all-time high. If you look at it back in December, it's 26 bucks. This thing came out like 200%. So what the most likely scenario is that we are going to come down to 60 bucks, 60-ish by Friday. So my play on this one will be, I'll buy a 2 to 3 weeks duration puts, which I already have, and then I'm gonna wait till it goes to 60 bucks. If you ask me the strike price, get like 65 or 66 puts 2 to 3 weeks out. So short squeeze, another short squeeze. Tomorrow possibly be a short squeeze, so we'll go green, but I don't care if it doesn't go over 67 bucks. So this is a very, very nice play if you want to go in tomorrow. The next one I want to look at is NVDA. Why NVDA? Today, I've been talking about it so many days, and then the price target is on point. 165 reject, 160 reject, 156 it holds 160. So today we rejected at 160. 160 right here, 160, 160, and then 160. This is a very strong resistance. And then 160 we rejected. We opened to this morning we opened green, and then we hit to 160.5, I believe. 160.5, yeah. And then when I see that rejection, I know this thing will come down. So tomorrow, I want to see NVIDIA to, if it breaks this channel right here I have, this thing will go to 155, 154. If that breaks, we'll be looking at 148. And then if 148 hits, I am going to buy this up to 170. If 153 hold, I'm going to buy this up to 170 also. So watch NVIDIA for the next couple of days. This thing is gonna run. It's gonna run to the upside. So wait for this. The safer play is to wait for a pullback and then buy NVDA to the upside. If you want to do short play intraday, you see a rejection, it's the best time to get in. And next one I want to look at is Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. The high of the year, the height of the in Microsoft, like the stock history, the high was 116, and right now we are 112. It went to a 113.35 today. And if you look at this right here, what do you see here? Like, what do you see? You see double tops, right? How many double tops we're looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 double tops. So tomorrow, if I see an indecision candle somewhere here or here, this thing, I'll be targeting a month out puts duration to 109, or even 108. My stop loss will be at this resistance right here, 113.4 or 113.5. But I doubt that this is going to go over right here. Why? Because the market is showing a sign of topping out. So just remember, short Roku, short Microsoft, wait for NVIDIA to dip, and then buy a call. Ride this back up to 170. And then just going to give you an update on SPX if you miss it. We are going to go down tomorrow as low as 2785, 2782, and a potential retest of 2790. Alright, good luck trading guys. I'll see you in the next video.